Item 164. Seeding for erosion control. 1. Description. Provide and install temporary or permanent seeding for erosion control as shown on the plans or as directed. 2. Materials. 2.1 Seed. Provide seed from the previous season's crop meeting the requirements of the Texas seed law, including the testing and labeling for pure live seed, PLS equals purity times germination. Furnish seed of the designated species, in labeled unopened bags or containers to the engineer before planting. Use within 12 mo from the date of the analysis. When buffalo grass is specified, use seed that is treated with No3, potassium nitrate, to overcome dormancy. Use tables 1 to 4 to determine the appropriate seed mix and rates as specified on the plans. If a plant species is not available by the producers, the other plant species in the recommended seed mixture will be increased proportionally by the PLS/acre of the missing plant species. Table 1. Permanent rural seed mix. See table in specifications. Table 2. Permanent urban seed mix. See table in specifications. Table 3. Temporary cool season seeding. See table in specifications. Table 4. Temporary warm season seeding. See table in specifications. 2.2 Fertilizer. Use fertilizer in conformance with Article 166.2, Materials. 2.3 Vegetative watering. Use water that is clean and free of industrial wastes and other substances harmful to the growth of vegetation. 2.4 Mulch. 2.4.1 Straw or hay mulch. Use straw or hay mulch in conformance with Section 162.2.5, Mulch. 2.4.2 Cellulose fiber mulch. Use only cellulose fiber mulches that are on the approved products list, erosion control approved products. http://www.txdot.gov/business/resources/erosion-control.html. Submit one full set of manufacturer's literature for the selected material. Keep mulch dry until applied. Do not use molded or rotted material. 2.5 Tacking methods. Use a tacking agent applied in accordance with the manufacturer's recommendations or a crimping method on all straw or hay mulch operations. Use tacking agents as approved or as specified on the plans. 3. Construction. Cultivate the area to a depth of 4 inches before placing the seed unless otherwise directed. Use approved equipment to vertically track the seed bed as shown on the plans or as directed. Cultivate the seed bed to a depth of 4 inches or mow the area before placement of the permanent seed when performing permanent seeding after an established temporary seeding. Plant the seed specified and mulch, if required, after the area has been completed to lines and grades as shown on the plans. 3.1 Broadcast seeding. Distribute the seed or seed mixture uniformly over the areas shown on the plans using hand or mechanical distribution or hydro seeding on top of the soil unless otherwise directed. Apply the mixture to the area to be seeded within 30 minutes of placement of components in the equipment when seed and water are to be distributed as a slurry during hydro seeding. Roll the planted area with a light roller or other suitable equipment. Roll sloped areas along the contour of the slopes. 3.2 Straw or hay mulch seeding. Plant seed according to Section 164.3.1, Broadcast seeding. Apply straw or hay mulch uniformly over the seeded area immediately after planting the seed or seed mixture. Apply straw mulch at 2 to 2.5 tons per acre. Apply hay mulch at 1.5 to 2 tons per acre. Use a tacking method over the mulched area. 3.3 Cellulose fiber mulch seeding. Plant seed in accordance with Section 164.3.1, Broadcast seeding. Apply cellulose fiber mulch uniformly over the seeded area immediately after planting the seed or seed mixture at the following rates. Sandy soils with slopes of 3:1 or less 2,500 pounds per acre. Sandy soils with slopes greater than 3:1 3,000 pounds per acre. Clay soils with slopes of 3:1 or less 2,000 pounds per acre. Clay soils with slopes greater than 3:1 2,300 pounds per acre. Cellulose fiber mulch rates are based on dry weight of mulch per acre. Mix cellulose fiber mulch and water to make a slurry and apply uniformly over the seeded area using suitable equipment. 3.4 Drill seeding. Plant seed or seed mixture uniformly over the area shown on the plans at a depth of 1/4 to 1/3 inches using a pasture or rangeland type drill unless otherwise directed. Plant seed along the contour of the slopes. 3.5 Straw or hay mulching. Apply straw or hay mulch uniformly over the area as shown on the plans. Apply straw mulch at 2 to 2.5 tons per acre. Apply hay mulch at 1.5 to 2 tons per acre. Use a tacking method over the mulched area. Apply fertilizer in conformance with Article 166.3, Construction. Seed and fertilizer may be distributed simultaneously during broadcast seeding operations, provided each component is applied at the specified rate. Apply half of the required fertilizer during the temporary seeding operation and the other half during the permanent seeding operation when temporary and permanent seeding are both specified for the same area. Water the seeded areas at the rates and frequencies as shown on the plans or as directed. 4 Measurement. This item will be measured by the square yard or by the acre. 5 Payment. The work performed and the materials furnished in accordance with this item and measured as provided under measurement will be paid for at the unit price bid for broadcast seeding, perm, of the rural or urban seed mixture and sandy or clay soil specified, broadcast seeding, temp, of warm or cool season specified, straw or hay mulch seeding, perm, of the rural or urban seed mixture and sandy or clay soil specified, straw or hay mulch seeding, temp, of warm or cool season specified. Cellulose fiber mulch seeding, perm, of the rural or urban seed mixture and sandy or clay soil specified, cellulose fiber mulch seeding, temp, of warm or cool season specified, drill seeding, perm, of the rural or urban seed mixture and sandy or clay soil specified, drill seeding, temp, of warm or cool season specified, and straw or hay mulching. This price is full compensation for furnishing materials, including water for hydro-seeding and hydro-mulching operations, mowing, labor, equipment, tools, supplies, and incidentals. Fertilizer will not be paid for directly but will be subsidiary to this item. Water for irrigating the seeded area, when specified, will be paid for under item 168, vegetative watering.